Okay, so today we're going to be reviewing the Rubbermaid Spray Mop. I find it is by far the best spray mop I've ever used. It's got good adhesive at the bottom to hold the mop pad. A lot of the ones I've used in the past, they sort of wear over time and don't stick as well, but this one's lasted really well. And I feel like the Rubbermaid Spray Mop pads are really good in getting all that gritty stuff off. It's also got a very good swivel on it, so it's easy to get into tight areas. It also feels quite solid compared to a lot of other brands. And the bottle on the Rubbermaid is quite sturdy. I feel like it's a lot better quality than some other mops I've tried. And also the rubber that goes around, and also the bottle's replaceable if you buy from Rubbermaid, which is really good. So at the moment I'm just trying to show you that it's got like a little abrasive pad. So when you find that like there's those little sticky bits, you can use that to get them off quite easily, rather than getting some have the attachments on that you take off and you scrub it with your hands and knees. If you're interested in purchasing this Rubbermaid spray mop, links are linked in the description down below.